Okay, Elliott trades back again and hit target on Bitcoin. It's been a very good day across the board, really. So yeah, hit target on Bitcoin. I did say yesterday in this video that we should come and tap the supply zone. We'll grab this trendline liquidity, and at this supply zone, we'll wait to see. I said I don't expect it to take this, at least not straight away. And currently, if we do go to the smaller time frames now, you can see that we're rejecting that zone. Get to the 15. We've had a bearish close candle on the 5. It looks like we're getting a pull up, we're pulling up a bit, but I do expect price to continue at lower, at least for now, and potentially into this order block we've got here. Okay, now this is what is going to determine basically what we're looking for next. Yeah. Okay, we broke out of this channel. That suggests that this is potentially a 1-2. I'm in too much trades, man. Yeah, okay, cool. In too many trades. Okay. Okay, so potentially, okay, what we need to see is an impulsive structure here. We need to be able to, let me get my resistance lines off. What in the... Shit, there it is. All right, they're gone. Are they still there? Are they still... Okay. I can get them back if I need to. All right. So currently price should be coming down. I am in a sell. I'm scalping the shorts. There is a small possibility of, well, that small possibility is dying, which is good. There's a small possibility of that, but not currently caring because I got in up here, so I couldn't care if it went slightly above. Stop losses are above the purple box. Okay, now what we need to focus on here is, because potentially to the left we have a leading diagonal. I had it drawn out in some prior videos. I haven't spoken on it recently. I did well, I have maybe 3 days ago, saying that potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, that's a potential leading diagonal, but at the same time it could be potentially just a corrective structure. But then what did we do? What did price do? Price came down, okay, and we hit the or almost hit the 0.618. All right, extension from the beginning of there to there. Okay, and if we can count impulsive wave here, we are looking to go bullish. And if we're looking to go bullish, my overall target is a new all-time high. It's a new all-time high, but then even after that, I would be getting out of the trade because I'm not trying to, I'm not expecting too much above the high, and then I'm expecting a crash, but we'll see what happens as price approaches that area. Okay, so give me a sec. Sorry, I don't mean to do this, but yeah. All right, that's good. All right. So regarding Bitcoin, we need to be able to count an impulsive wave. Now we could have a 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Can't be a diagonal because I can clearly see that if this is a 3, this is a 4, and this is a 5, that will be longer. 5 will be longer than 3. Okay. Yep, 5's longer than 3. And If 3 is longer than 1, then potentially we could be looking at a leading expanding diagonal, but leading expanding diagonals are rare. Okay, it's not even longer than 1 anyway, which is cool. That makes it easier. There is, so we're looking like a 1 2 1 2 1 2. Then we could be in a 1 2 3 here. Okay, if we come and take out this low, that's this low right here. Okay, that invalidates this potential count. All right, now this leg that we're in now has hit the common target for a 3. So 1 2 3 like that. Potentially we could get a 4 here. Okay, which is here. Okay, can come down to the 0382, can come down to the 50, but cannot touch the 0.618. So this count gets invalidated as soon as we touch that 0.618, if we do. Now, if we don't hit that 0.618, okay, if we correct and we come down here and we miss the 0.618 and we come up and make another high, breaking structure, straight away I'm bullish. Okay, the moment we take out this supply over here, I'm bullish, meaning I'll be waiting for price to come down to a demand zone that is created, or to grab some liquidity or fill in an imbalance to then execute trades to the upside. Okay, so this is the current situation. Otherwise, what we could get from here right now potentially is price coming down all the way here and nipping these lows and then going higher. Right, there's a few things. So this pullback here can be deep, and it literally depends on this impulse here. Okay, if this invalidates by touching this 618, expect lower. Doesn't mean we can't be bullish, but this count would be wrong and we'd have to look for another count. Okay, if just to talk on the channel, okay, if that was potentially 1 2, all right, we came out, that tells us 3 is on the way. Okay, 1 2 1 2, okay, or 1 A B C, 2 and a flat, then 1 2, then this one is the 3. Okay, this is valid for a 3 wave starting from here. 1 2, I mean a 5 wave move. Okay, it could be 1 2 and this can be 3. Okay, which will give us a target of at least taking out the high. Okay, at least, because the 3 would hit here, then you get a 4, then you get a 5, then we'll probably drop down there, and that's in confluence with the 3618. So that looks good. Okay, taking out this high, I think it just makes it obvious we're bullish at that point, because we are at the last point of supply before breaking the high, which makes everybody know, or at least assume, that we're bullish. I do expect quite a bit of a retracement from here. Now I can see we're pulling up currently, but I do expect price to continue at least with another leg lower, okay, before attempting to take this high. If it does take this high out first, fine, I get stopped out. I'll still be very much happy, because I'll wait for a pullback to get in on some other buys, and those buys will be to fully take out this high, take out this high, take out this high. Then I'll probably, get out and wait for some form of a retrace, but I would be targeting the all-time high, which is over here. Okay, which will be a very good look for Bitcoin. Just take off these indicators again quickly so you can have another look. All right, let me just check my trades. Okay, that's all right. Okay, this would become a W formation if we break this high, pullback and continuation to the upside. But currently we are in supply, and that supply would need to break to consider any more bullish upside. Currently, I'm selling from this supply zone, looking for lower. All right, so that's it on Bitcoin, really. That's it on Bitcoin. I expect Ethereum to follow suit. I expect ICP to follow suit. And yeah, I'll give you an update as soon as something happens in these markets. Ultimately, there's a strong chance that the bullish trend is resuming. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave in the comments anything you'd like me to do analysis on, and I'll get back with you later. All right, peace.